Yeah. Woo. Woo. This is therapy. Woo. Yeah. Woo. Woo. Yeah. I really can't stay controlling the beat. Everybody like losing their sleep. Beef, 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 beef in the beef. Rick Ross here calling the beef. Talking like, yeah, over the street. Slipped out, now he going to sleep. Yeah, yeah, now he talking that shit. Yeah, yeah, now he talking that league. Yeah. What are you gonna do? Put him to sleep. On the count. See-o! Yeah.
Yes, can I get the Clippers, please?
Yeah.
Yo, brother, about that, please. You don't talk about that. What you gonna do about that? Yeah, what you gonna do about that? I got that down, don't like that. I don't want to say that word ever like that. We say it constantly, but we just gotta say it like that. Like that. Oh, like graham crackers alive. Yeah.